impressions of beauty change over time, as do our faces when we age. Smoothing out folds and wrinkles or giving the mouth a fuller and more sensuous form can now be carried out without foreign substances. Restylane products contain a natural material, hyaluronic acid, which binds water in the skin, thus lifting and giving new firmness. It is a non-surgical treatment which gives clearly visible, natural-looking results that refresh your appearance immediately and require no downtime. Restylane leads the development of the instant aesthetic treatment, giving you a safe and long-lasting beauty lift. Young skin is smooth and elastic and contains a lot of hyaluronic acid, which gives the skin volume. As we age, the amount of hyaluronic acid decreases, which means that less water is bound in the skin, and less moisture means less elasticity, which in the long term can give rise to wrinkles. QMed has invented a method for binding together the molecules in hyaluronic acid. In this way, QMed can produce a unique and transparent gel called Nasha from natural hyaluronic acid. Nasha is a safe implant for the body and can be injected in the skin. Nasha remains in the body for a long time, but when the gel is then broken down, it leaves the body completely. As Nasha is non-animal, no pre-tests are needed. You can have the treatment done immediately and see the results within 30 minutes. Restylane comes in 3 different versions that can be combined with each other to obtain the best possible results. The Restylane products are used for the correction of forehead lines, worry lines, the glabella lines, the periorbital lines, crow's feet, the nasolabial folds, the perioral and smile lines, and for treatment of the oral commissures. Restylane products are also used for lip enhancement and for shaping the contour of the face, for example, the cheeks and the chin. How then is the treatment done? Well, when wrinkles and lines are treated, Restylane products are injected in the skin, under the wrinkle. In this illustration, we can see how the gel is injected in the skin and how the wrinkle is lifted up and smoothed out. The treatment takes about 30 minutes and can be carried out with or without local anesthetic. The results are immediate, but when the wrinkles are treated, you should expect some redness and swelling, which disappears after a few days. In addition to her nasolabial folds, this person had her perioral lines treated. Her upper lip was also contoured. Here are some examples of people who have had their nasolabial folds treated. And these people have had their oral commissures treated. Lips can be perfectly sculpted with Restylane. To create a more pronounced mouth, gel can be injected into the inside of the upper lip. This can, of course, be combined with a marking of the lip line and a better definition of the lines that go up towards the nose. Often, a combination of different measures is used to achieve good results. Here are some examples of people who have had their lips treated. When the lips are treated, most people prefer to have an anesthetic, which means that the treatment can be carried out with the least discomfort for you. After treatment, most people have some swelling and redness, which usually disappears after a few days. Restylane offers instant aesthetic treatment where the foundation is laid at the first appointment. Together with your doctor, you can then plan regular future visits to maintain good results. Follow-up treatment normally requires a smaller amount of the product. How long the product stays in the skin is very individual. Many factors come into play, for example age, skin type, lifestyle and muscle activity. But the injection technique is also important. In general, the effect of the treatment lasts between 6 and 9 months, sometimes even up to 1 year. For lips, it can be expected that the effect lasts 4 to 6 months. As the ideal of beauty constantly changes, it can be reassuring to know that Restylane products are not permanent and gradually disappear from the body. In this way, you can renew your appearance as time moves on. Today, over 1 million of men and women around the world have been successfully treated with Restylane products. Our products are made under stringent control, and they come to you from Sweden, a nation known for health, nature and beauty. Restylane is the safe, natural and long-lasting beauty lift.